So I realized it's been a hot second since I was supposed to upload my actual video, but guess what? That's okay. Life happens. I'm still a good person. But in all seriousness, I've just been really busy with work, and I obviously have been dealing with a bit of a cold. But better late than never. So as of yet, we actually haven't been to IKEA in person yet, but I just went ahead and bought my furniture online. Man, my voice is terrible. I just went ahead and bought them online and had them delivered yesterday. And thankfully I was able to stay home yesterday and just build everything because we had a snow day yesterday. So this is what our yard looks like. Getting strong Saskatchewan vibes lately. Now, as far as instructions go, specifically IKEA instructions, I think I can follow along pretty well, but I did manage to screw up enough that had Amanda not been there to bail me out, I would have ended up like the comic guy from the IKEA instructions. So here is the desk. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be actually, but that's okay because I wanted a really nice desk, and it's got 2 drawers. And the chair. It's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was. I thought I was just going to get like a, what is this, a plastic chair, but it's pretty nice. Bookshelf. It honestly was a big pet peeve for me to have all of my books and journals on the ground for the last month and a half, but I finally have a bookcase. Oh, and I got a mirror. I specifically got this mirror because it's got like little handles on the back, and it also has like a bar that I can hang things on, like my bag. That's not hung up right now, whatever. Alright, so that is my room so far. I'm probably gonna end up changing the layout like 700 times before I'm actually happy with it. But I really like where the desk is, I like where the mirror is, how it's a little tucked out of the way. I'll probably move my bookshelf, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try and upload videos more consistently and on a more regular schedule. I try and post new videos every Tuesday, but sometimes it ends up Wednesday or Thursday. Don't Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was kind of cool. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.